The Global Field Experience is a core course at Rice Business where students work with a client in a different country on a consulting challenge.
It gives the students the opportunity to apply what they've been learning over the first year of their academic experience. So they get to take the basics they've learned from marketing and finance and accounting and strategy and implement those into the real world.
MBA students are paired with a company in a different country, providing recommendations on how they can better their business. And then the week of the Global Field Experience, we come to the country, students meet with the clients in person all week and provide a final presentation on their findings and recommendations.
Well, I think the purpose of the in-person element is to give us a chance to bond with our classmates, get to know each other. Because we spend so much time on screens all the time, and as we know, it's hard to dictate inflection or truly know how someone is coming across without that in-person communication. So that's an opportunity for us to get to know each other and communicate a little more, and also the chance to explore an emerging market in a country that most of us have never been to as well.
Meeting the client on site, I got to see a lot of demonstrations on how their product was made, and we even got to help them make it.
Have really enjoyed walking around the city, getting to try the different cuisine, experiencing cultural events.
So given that this is a real project with a real client, that means that there's going to be real problems.
The benefits are really two ways. Our students get a fresh perspective, and the entrepreneurs that are local get a fresh perspective. And that really benefits the whole Rice community and everybody that we have working and living to make this one of the best programs and best MBA programs in the country.
They accomplished far more than I expected, and they gave me insight because each one of them has a different personality and in different industries. So they applied what they know and what I told them about the preemie industry, and they just mix it up and gave me good recommendations on what is the best practices that we should do to get to the place where we can develop our own brand.
I think it gives me wider perspective on how should I treat a client, how should I address problems, and how to solve in order to give value to the clients I'm dealing with.
Our hope is that by the end of this week, students are able to get a better understanding of the business context of the country that they're in, but also have a greater understanding of the community and the culture of the people that they're with.
There is a respect for the Rice Business brand, what our students do, how valuable they are, and what they bring to the table. On the other hand, the students also realize how much they've learned and what they're capable of. And I think that brings a confidence that allows them to go off into their second year or into the real world after their MBA and know, wow, Rice Business taught me that, and I'm going to make a difference in this world.
Welcome to the Global Field Experience.